And most of the people think that they both mean the same. Of course, they are similar, but actually there is a lot of difference between these two. In spoken language and written language, very frequently we come across the words home and house, and most of the people think that they both mean the same. Of course, they are similar, but actually there is a lot of difference between these two words. I'm English Friend 360, and in this video today we are going to talk about the difference between home and house. And before we begin, I request you to kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel. And coming to the topic, you have probably used both these words before, but do you know when to use each one? Alright, let's start with the word house. So, a house is a building. I mean, it's a physical structure having walls, roof, windows, doors, all that stuff. That means when we are talking about a house, we are referring to a physical existence. Okay, for example, that house has 3 bedrooms and a garden. We just painted our house blue. Notice how I am talking about building itself. So that's what a house refers to, a physical place. Got it? Now let's move on to the word home. See, my friends, home is much more than just a building. It's about feelings, comfort, and belonging. It's where your heart is. Okay, so in your home, you can sense bonding between people, sentiments, and affections. Got it? For example, we say, I feel peaceful at my home. No matter where I live, my hometown will always be my home. Okay, see the difference? So, home is about emotions, not just the building. Got it? So, now let's compare these two words with an example. So, imagine you move to a new city. You find a house to live in. So, that's your house, but it only becomes your home when you feel comfortable and make it your own. Got it? Maybe you put up some photos, invite your friends, or just feel cozy there. That's when it transforms from a house to a home. Okay, and there you have it, home and house in a nutshell. I hope this clears up the confusion and helps you use these words with confidence. Friends, this is all I want to talk about in this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more spoken English tips. And let me know in the comments, what does home mean to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.